I am going to kill you, motherfucker. I am the pale horse of death, and hell follows me, boy.
Get the rhythm, get the rhythm. There you go, there you fucking go. Get the rhythm, get the rhythm.
You feeling strong enough?
Strong enough for what?
Even when white folks try to be exciting, they still boring.
Yeah, I was asleep.
And they call me crazy.
When a boy that young kills, it's really never just his fault.
My son is so far beyond anything you can understand. You have no idea.
One good thing came out of all of this. They showed themselves, the ones who play God without permission. And now I'm gonna take them down.
How are we gonna win this thing, boys?
I've flown more missions than anybody on this base. I can't do this anymore.
You know the difference between me and you? Me, happy, 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 dead. You, worry, 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 dead.
You see the difference?